Jackson Flowers, and it is the Three Little Wolves. And my name is Jackson Flowers. Once upon a time, there were 3 little wolves. They grew up with their mother and father. So they grew up. Their mother and father said, "You guys are so old, you guys gotta have some fun in our house." So then, the first one wasn't the smartest one. He built his house out of 2 bricks. So he stacked his house. He stacked it out of 2 bricks. So he stacked his house. Then, the second one built his house out of straw. So he stacked his house. Then, the third one built his house out of bricks and glue. So he built his house. Then, a big, bad pig came and knocked on the first door and said, "Let me in." Then the wolf said, "No." Then he said, "Then I'll oink your house down." Oink, 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 oink. Oink the house down. Then the wolf ran over the second brother wolf and he got inside the straw house. Then the big, bad pig came and knocked on the second door made out of straw. He knocked and said, "Let me in, let me in." And then he said, "No." Then he said, "Then I'll oink your house down." Oink, 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 oink. Then the 2 little wolf brothers ran over to the second brother, and then the third brother, and then the big, bad pig came and knocked on the third door and said, "Let me in." Then they said, "No." Then he said, "Yes." Then they said, "No." Then he went over to the window and they all started smacking each other. Ah! Then he went back over to the window and then he went back over to the door and then he said, "Let me in." Then they said, "No." Then he said, "Then I'll oink your house down." Oink, 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 oink. But he couldn't oink it because it was made out of bricks and wood. So he tried again. Oink, 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 oink. And he oinked so hard he died. Oink. So he died. Then, guess what the wolves had for dinner? Pork chops.
The moment we have been waiting for. Okay, we're going to announce 3 winners today. 3rd place, 2nd place, and 1st place. And the 1st place winner will go on to represent our school down in the Weaver State Storytelling Contest in February. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell all of you who have participated, good job. Okay, I'm sure all of you did a great job, even if you didn't make it to the final assembly. So let's give everybody in here a hand too. So we want to all right. 3rd place winner goes to our one and only boy in this group. All right, 2nd place goes to Hannah Farr. Cameron Parkinson. These guys all did a great job. Let's give them all one more big hand. All right, and one of the mothers so graciously donated some roses for all of the girls up here. And Jackson, you get a treat.